Hi everyone. Today video grade 5 perimeter area and volume part 3.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with another problem which is related to perimeter area and volume. The first question is the perimeter of rectangle photo frame is 160 centimeters and its length is 45 centimeters. What is the breadth of the photo frame? That one we are going to show you now.
Yeah, here they are just used the word photo frame, but mainly we have to focus the shape rectangular
Yes.
and given values perimeter and length. So we have to find out breadth.
Yes.
Breadth of a rectangle. Using that formula we have to do solution.
So given that perimeter of rectangular photo frame equals to 160 centimeters. Here what is important? Perimeter
Of rectangle equals to
160 centimeters.
So we have to keep in mind like that perimeter of rectangle equals to 160 centimeters.
Length is 45 centimeters. And what is the formula?
What is they are asking? Breadth.
Breadth.
And we know the formula. Breadth equals to?
Perimeter by 2 minus length.
So we just implement the values. Then
Oops,
we will get.
I forgot to draw the box.
No problem. Now do.
Wait.
So this is the formula. What is the formula? Breadth equals to?
Perimeter by 2 minus length.
That is, write down. That is breadth equals to?
Can I write
that is breadth, yes. That is breadth equals to?
That is
breadth equals
breadth equals to?
What is the perimeter value? 160.
Yes, 160.
By 2.
By 2.
Minus?
What
length.
is the length?
Yes.
45.
Very good. Now divide 160 by 2.
Okay. Here, now we are doing division by 160.
160 by 2.
160 by 2. So, 2 ones are 4.
In 2 table where a 16 comes?
2 8 is 16.
Yes. 2 8 16. 16 minus 16. What will the answer?
0.
Yeah, we have to take down that 0. As it is 0, we put 0 on above. And here also.
Extra 0.
So, final the result is, as the remainder is 0, so the final 160 by 2 equals to?
160 by 2 equals to 80.
Write down. That equals to? Instead of 160 by 2, write down 80.
80
minus. What is that?
45.
Yeah, now we have to do subtraction. 80 minus 45.
Okay. So, here we got the subtraction value is 35.
Therefore, 80 minus 45 equals to?
35.
35
centimeters.
Very good. So, therefore, breadth equals to?
Therefore, breadth equals to
35 centimeters.
35 centimeters.
That is the answer.
Up to next problem. Second problem is Ryan made a square using a wire with length 1 meter. Find the length of the side of the square. So given that length of the wire equals to 1 meter, Ryan made the square using the above wire. Now I'll show the real life example of this problem. So guys, as we know in the second problem, that Ryan took 1 meter wire to make a square. So I'm using Play-Doh to
explain
in real life.
So let us imagine this Play-Doh is a 1 meter wire.
Yes.
What Ryan did? Using this, he made a square. So just bend it to get a shape. So now it's almost looking not perfect, but almost it is looking like a square. So what is the wire? Length of the wire? 1 meter. But now, is this looking like a wire?
No.
It is looking like a square. and this 1 meter wire. So, and one more thing, in perimeter, what is this? If we start calculating the distance from starting point to ending point, that becomes the perimeter of that shape. Here the shape is square, and the perimeter of this shape is nothing but the length of the wire. So the length of the wire is 1 meter. So the perimeter of this square is
1 meter.
Very good. So now we know the shape, we know the perimeter of square.
But what they are asking?
But so what they are asking?
Length.
That is, we have to find out this length length of this side. So as we know the perimeter of this square, we can easily find out the side of the square.
Yes, by measuring it.
Using the formula, the length of the side equals to perimeter by 4.
Yes.
So, first we do
the calculation.
Yes.
That is, perimeter of the square equals to 1 meter. We all know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So,
therefore, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. That is, perimeter of the square equals to 100 centimeters.
Yes.
They are asking side of the square.
What is the formula?
Side of the square equals to
side of the square equals to
perimeter by 4.
Perimeter by 4.
What is the perimeter value? 100.
Yes.
So 100 by
4.
Do the calculation.
I did the division on the side. So I wrote 100 by 4. So 4 ones are 4. As it is, 1 is smaller than 4, we took 2 digits. So 4 ones are 4. 4 2 is 8. 4 3 is 12.
12 is greater than 10.
Greater than 10. So 4 2 is 8. We borrowed from 0 to 10 and
we borrowed from 10's place 1. So now 10 minus 8 is 2.
2. Now bring down the 0 directly. Now what is it? 20. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. That's it. So
the value of 100 by 4 equals to
25 centimeters.
What is this 25 centimeters? Side of the square. Therefore, side of the square equals to
side of the square equals to 25 centimeters. That's it. It is the end of the video. Bye. See you next time.